Shalom, this is Yehudit from Tzfat. I want to share with you the movements I'm doing for the 30th day of the 49-day preparation for Sigd, which happens on the 29th of Cheshvan. We're now in the 9th of Cheshvan, and I started the count on Yom Kippur. This is a time of, I feel, a time of re-examining different ways I am in my personal development. I'm going through the different Sefirot combinations like I do in the spring for the counting of the Omer, and adding to that a collective level of the community, awareness of community, and again, according to the Sefirot. So today, as the 30th day, which is 4 weeks and 2 days, it is Gevurah, I'm wearing blue for that, Sheba Hod, I'm wearing orange for that, and have it on the day, the third day of the week, which is Tiferet, the natural energy of the day. So this combination of Gevurah, Sheba Hod, a sense of Gevurah, setting priorities, having strength and power for setting clear boundaries, and in the area of Hod, which is the refinement and the yielding to what is the reality that exists, and refining how I'm expressing my mission in life, depending on the actual situation as it exists. So it actually takes a lot of Gevurah to just remain centered and reminding myself of HaShem breathing me at each moment, and my dedication to my sharing the Otiyot Hayyot system of healing movements based on the alphabet, and how they can be vehicles, tools for remaining centered, grounded, and in touch with our purpose in life, each of us. So our particular piece of the puzzle and how we refine it in each situation. The Hod, the refining quality of Hod. So I want to show you the nikudot first. Yesterday I forgot to do the letters for the 29th day within the first tape, so I did 2 tapes. I'll hope to remember today. So stepping to the side, for Gevurah is the Shvanach, which is 2 dots, one on top of the other. And I do the right hand high. Starting a sound and stopping it, being able to say no, being able to set boundaries, and prioritize, and a sense of strength in doing that, and power. And Hod, which is the Kubutz, it's called, 3 dots in a row. You center yourself so you know who you are, and then you modify those priorities of Gevurah to take into account who's receiving whatever you're saying, whatever's happening, what the surrounding circumstances are. So it's ooh, and I do it a different direction. Ooh, being able to see from many perspectives, being able to have empathy for others. Ooh. Ooh. So then I do the combination of the Shvanach with the Kubutz 4 times for levels of soul, including Chayah, which is the level of really total aliveness, integration of all the other levels, the spiritual level of, wow, I'm alive. And then the collective 4 repetitions for the four worlds of Asiyah, of action, of Yetzirah, of emotion, of Beriyah, of the intellect, thoughts, and of Atzilut, the spiritual, the closest to HaShem, sense of motivation, intentionality, and checking that out in community, in collective sense. So let's begin. Ooh. 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 That's at a personal level. Another part of Gevurah is self-discipline. And you'll notice that I'm using the right hand high and just the right hand high for Gevurah, whereas for the Od I'm churning around in different sides and places. And part of that's intentional. Sometimes I do right hand and left hand changing for Gevurah, but only in twos or more. And it's a sense of right as giving and left as receiving, and that I want my right hand high. So I'm doing it, and that's the way it originally came to me, it's just the right hand high. So I'm going to do 4 sets again, now for the collective, for the community awareness level. Ooh. 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 I want to also show you a new letter, because for 30th day, it's the letter Lamed. And this is a little complicated because the Lamed has several parts to it. There's a small Lamed and a large Lamed, one seen from the right and one seen from the left. So let me show you a Lamed where I point my toe, bring my hands back to back, come up, and I lift my knee, and I make a small Lamed. And I continue and make a larger Lamed, which is seen from the other side. Small Lamed, just this part, and then I'm going to show you a continuous just going up through the small Lamed to the large Lamed. And my toe points back, and in this case, the Lamed is formed like this from the other side, so I'll show you from here. I don't know that you can see my toe pointing back, but my knee to my toe is the lower part of the Lamed, and there's a very long, higher part of the Lamed. And then when I bring it down, I do a 1, 2, 3, so I ground it. I like to think of it as teaching, learning and teaching, and learning and teaching, and the interaction of the lamed and lilamod, lilmod and lilamed, to learn and to teach in Hebrew. And I try very much to teach, give over what I learn as quickly as I can, and a sense also of the goal, I think, of each person in a way is to receive in order to give, We are receivers as created beings, and HaShem is the giver. We want to be like HaShem. So as the receiver, we fulfill our purpose to receive God's light, and to give. We are like HaShem, giving over our light. And I feel the Lamed has a lot of these teachings within it. So again, I'll do it again from each side. Small Lamed, and then the big Lamed is seen from the other side. And if you look from this side, you'd see the big Lamed. The small one here from my left, and the bigger one seen from the right. Each time grounding that and pausing, letting the energy move from my crown all the way to my feet, centering, grounding, connecting, feeling HaShem within me, breathing me, keeping me alive, and surrounding me. We have a moment of quiet. So I want to bless everyone with the ability to stay centered, stay grounded, stay alive, and find the tools it takes to be the finest manifestation of yourself as you can be in this world. It's hard work, but it's something. We're all pieces of a larger puzzle, and we all are obliged to do our part, whatever the direction is each day, each moment, and stay connected with each other, with ourselves, with HaShem. Many blessings.